Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you BandLab how to add track. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Adding a track in BandLab is simple. To do it, first what you need to do is head over and open up your BandLab app, and then once you're inside here, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the plus icon on the bottom of the options. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is either import your track to the BandLab or simply open the recent project that you are working on. Then once you're inside here, you'll be seeing the plus icon right here. Tap on that, and now you'll find the option that says new track. But keep in mind that you need to be a premium subscriber of the BandLab to add a track, otherwise you won't be able to add extra tracks. You can choose from voice, guitar, bass, looper, virtual instruments, and other options as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.